Does size matter? In this case, yes it does. Let's have a look around. Hello everybody, I'm Daryl at We Buy New Motorcaravan, and today we have the Newmar Baystart 3518. Does size matter? This one is an absolute monster. 36 foot long, 8.5 foot wide, and 12.67 foot high. So this is an absolute beast. You can literally live in this. We will show you that a bit later on the inside. But first of all, we'll run you through a few specs and show you what this bad boy's got. So if you follow me around, first of all, the engine. It is a 6.8 litre V10 Ford petrol engine. It sounds absolutely incredible, to be fair. But yeah, it's got well over 300 brake horsepower, so it's got plenty of torque and everything you need to get you through anywhere you want to go, really. If you're going, even if you're going to America, Europe, I probably wouldn't recommend Cornwall in something this size, but you never know. Right, so on to the extras then. It has absolutely loads of them. We'll start you off with the hydraulic self-leveling system. So you just press of a button, levels you out nice and neat, so it makes it dead comfortable inside. You've got your electric step. Dead obvious one then is your slide out. So there's 3 of these in total, 2 on the lounge area and 1 on the back bedroom. Does make inside absolutely massive, because the 2 lounge ones come out and then the bedroom on that side. It allows you to have a big king size bed in the back, which is absolutely fantastic. You do then have an electric awning on this side. So in the summer, if you are parked up, get the awning out, get the barbecue out, a few beers. Can't go wrong, really. Right, we'll keep going down. There is air suspension on it as well, which is pretty obvious on something this sort of size. You do have your twin rear wheels. That balances you out nice and steady. Up on the roof, you've got loads more extras as well. You've got habitation aircon, you've got your satellite dish, anything you want up on that roof is up there. Solar panels. You've also got in here an onboard generator, so if you are off grid for a long period of time, no problem, you have got your generator for your power. And as you can imagine, you have got a load of storage. There's loads of these cupboards that do run the length of the vehicle, the RV, so you have got loads and loads of room for the payload. It's well over 2 tonne the payload on this, so you can fit absolutely tons of stuff in. Carrying on round to the back then, you do have a rear reversing camera at the top, which is essential for something this sort of size. Tow bar at the back for if you did want a little tow car to bomb about to the supermarket or whatever, because you're definitely not getting this in Sainsbury's, sorry to tell you. You do have a ladder to get up on the roof. Again, for me, this is essential. So if you do have any repairs you need to do on the roof to your habitation aircon, your satellite dish, anything like that, this is the only way you're really getting up. Coming around the side then, and here is your extra 2 slide outs. So this is your bedroom area. So your king size bed is in here, just extends the size of your bedroom, which we will show you inside shortly. But I really like the decals. I don't know what you lot think. Just comment below. I'm pretty sure you'll tell me any different if you don't like them, but I really like the black with the silvery gold decals. Look really, really nice. So again, another slide out. This is 3 of 3, so this is another lounge area. So you can imagine one this side, one the other side. This lounge is absolutely huge, which again we will show you inside. And then the lockers run all the way down the side as well. So there's absolutely tons of storage. Right, if you keep following me around, getting out of breath walking around this, it's huge. As you can see, again, it's absolutely monstrous. And I tell you now, the V10 engine in this sounds incredible. If you like your engines, this sounds absolutely brilliant. I think that's about it for the outside, so should we head inside and we'll see what it's all about. So, welcome inside the RV, the Newmar Baystart 3518. We'll start you in the cab area. It does look a little bit complicated, I'm not going to lie, but it ain't too bad. There is a few switches, knobs, gadgets, whatever you want to say. Seats, the typical RV seats are like armchairs. I think they're absolutely brilliant. I'd love one of these in my car, but I don't think it'll fit. Right, as you can see then, we are on the Ford chassis, like I did mention outside. This particular one is a 2015 model. I personally think inside are a little bit dated on these, but all the American RVs are very, very similar, so I don't think they're any different to any other RV really. Button wise, you do have your self-leveling, you've got your battery booster, you've got an immobiliser on this particular model. Now this one's covered just 29,000 miles, so it's nice low mileage. It is on the automatic as well, but then you've got your stereo, your air conditioning, your reverse camera. You've got everything pretty much you need set up in the front. Up the top you can see you have got a telly. There is 3 in total, so there's plenty of space to watch your Sky Sports or whatever you want with your satellite dish. Where do we start? It's absolutely massive, isn't it? So we'll start up here, the control panel. Again, looks all complicated, but you've got battery disconnect, your power control system, just your pretty basic stuff, your level checks, your awning, so on and so forth. And your slide outs are also operated up here as well, and they are in a lock system when they're inside, so when they're in, just lock them in so you're safe to drive. Right, then we'll spin around. Just look at the size of this. It's massive. It's an 8 berth, so your couches turn into double beds, so you've got 2, 4, your dinette area turns into a double bed, and then obviously you've got the king at the back. But it's absolutely monstrous. With the sides out, it's absolutely huge. So yeah, I do quite like the little dinette area as well, so you have got somewhere designated to eat. That's pretty cool. So we've got a nice big kitchen area, all your solid worktops, chopping boards, and your stainless sinks. Really, really good sized kitchen. And as you can see, you've got all your normal storage spaces that you would have in your standard kitchen. You've also got your 3-ring burner, and then you've got like your grill type microwave up the top, which is really, really handy. Again, as you can see, massive TV, which is good for watching the mighty Villa win the league this year. We're going to do it. Right, come on, carry on through. We've got huge fridge freezer, plenty for the parties, and again, loads of storage. Really nice, handy little, good for your spices. Yeah. And your pasta. So yeah, loads and loads of handy storage. If we carry on through, this in here is your bathroom. So if you stick your head in there, it's not the biggest I've seen in an RV, but there's still plenty of room. Nice big shower at the end. And the floor's proper tiles as well, which are really nice. You don't get that in your normal motorhome. Right, then we'll carry on through. Last but not least is the bedroom area, which I did say was a good size really. That bed's huge. Nice king size bed. Again, there's plenty of storage. I believe this flips up, so you've got more storage underneath it as well. And again, you've got another TV, so when you're in bed, you can finish watching your telly. 2 big wardrobes, so there's plenty of storage. It's just absolutely huge. It's just never ending. But yeah, again, a bit dated. I don't know if you can modernise it yourself, maybe, if it's your cup of tea. But yeah, nice door so you can shut off from everybody. Yeah, there's not really much more I can say about it other than it looks very much like every other RV that we've had. Similar sorts of layouts, still a bit dated. But yeah, I think if you're spending like millions, then it's not as dated. But if you're spending sort of just over £100,000, which I think these are new, probably 150,000, you kind of can take the rough with the smooth a little bit. So as you can see then, this side is now fully retracted, so you can see how much room it does actually give you when it's out. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I've been Daryl, we've been We Buying a Motorcaravan, and I'll see you all soon.